A very greetings to all of you. I am Devansh Mehta, M.Pharm in Pharmacology and MBA in Pharmaceutical Marketing. I'm an healthcare consultant, and today in this video, I will be talking about the tips, the concise tips and advice and guidelines for proper pharma detailing for pharma professionals. Guys, as you know, we are pharma professionals, so we should be technically sound regarding the pharma products, the compositions, the side effects, the contraindications, the limitations, as well as the indications. In your pharma detailing process, plan your visit properly and then go for a particular visit to the doctor. It is very important that you should be a technically sound with all the terms and compositions of the product which you are trying to sell to the healthcare practitioners or the HCPs. And it should be important to understand that you have to build relations with the HCPs, and your focus should be in a concise manner to convey the benefits as well as the side effects of your product, as well as to build a rapport with the healthcare practitioner, because that too helps in building long term relationships and getting long term business from any particular doctor. मगी कंसाइज वे में आपको पूरे आपके फार्माकोलॉजी जो उसके एस्पेक्ट है ड्रग के उसके बारे में आपको पूरा पता होना चाहिए, एंड वो आपका एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर होना चाहिए इन द वे ऑन द प्रोसेस ऑफ योर फार्मा डिटेलिंग. Use proper guidelines, use proper visual aids, and it is important to understand that you give an additional information or additional fact based information to the doctors and the healthcare practitioners, so that they are able to support you and they are able to be very confident to follow your advice. So it is very important to understand that you have to convince and you have to compel the doctors to, so that they can give business to your particular brand or to your company. That's it. In this short video, I will be kept talking about the newer approaches and the practical steps and practical guidelines regarding the pharma products and the pharma process. And for the pharma professionals, this is Devansh Mehta signing off. M Pharm MBA, and I'm a pharma consultant. Thank you so much.